How to log in Metabank with Netspend account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Metabank with Netspend login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to this one website option, netspend.com login all access account. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your Metabank with Netspend. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of remember username. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Metabank with Netspend. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.